Hello friends, it's Christy Marcotte. I'm guest designing for Pink & Main using their August 2019 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is fruit salad, and I just love the vibrant summer colors in this kit. Pink & Main will open up more subscription spots on August 1st, and they do require a minimum of 3 months for subscribing. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited, and the kits do sell out very quickly. If you like what you see, I suggest not waiting. I have included a direct link in the description box if you are interested. So now let me show you everything that is included in the kit. So there's always a little information card that has the theme of the kit, and it has the colors that will coordinate with the paper collection. You'll also get all of your goodies in a nice zippered bag, and I'll show you that in a moment. So in this kit, there is a half sheet of acetate, perfect for making shaker cards, and this kit just screams shaker cards, and you'll see why later. There are 2 sheets of ice rink cardstock. This is the white, and then there's a yellow, a green, an orange. There's this lovely pink that has all the little embossing on there, little tiny polka dots, a nice vibrant pink, and then this beautiful blue. So very bright summery colors that coordinate perfectly with the paper collection. So here's that little zippered bag, and that holds everything in your kit other than the paper. And these are nice and sturdy, definitely worth keeping later for other projects. So here is the 6x6 paper pad. It is a full 24 sheet paper pad that is included, all double-sided. Very vibrant, beautiful colors. This is perfect for summer. This could be for all kinds of occasions. I love that some of the designs are just a nice muted tone on tone, and then they have some of these busier designs. Really pretty colors. Lots of chevrons and polka dots. There's some ombre colors. Isn't that orange just beautiful? Just looks like a sunrise or a sunset. Really like this paper collection. And so you do have 2 of each design. So that is called the Summer Splash Paper Collection. And then next is the stamp set, and I just love this set. All fruit, and these are layered stamps. So it has the little outline. So here's the lemon, and then you'll have the inside portion, and then also the leaf. Although that stamp could also be a lime, so that's your choice, lemon or lime. And then it has some really sweet sentiments. So this is just perfect to go with that really bright paper pad. And then there's also a small die set, and these all have the little faux stitching except for the little hearts. And these will work perfect with the sentiments. So you could cut those out and then have your sentiment stamped right on there, just to add a little extra interest. And then of course those 3 different sizes of the hearts. And then the twine this month is this beautiful hot pink, and you'll receive 3 yards of each. There's the solid and then also the pink and white. And then there's a little package of these tiny tassels with rainbow colors. So those are really pretty. And then this month there is a container of Wow embossing powder. And this is called Primary Marshmallow in this lovely pink. Not sure why it's called marshmallow, because usually marshmallows are white, but it's a really pretty color. And then there is a sheet of bling in rainbow colors, and these have a little bit of thickness to them, very sparkly. And then there is this full package of sequins, and these are all yellow. So there's a few different sizes, but they're very vibrant, really pretty. They have a little bit of a sparkle to them. And then my favorite part of this whole kit are these fruit-shaped shaker elements. Lots of different fruits, these teeny tiny little pieces, and you get a really full package of them. So those are gonna look really cute in a shaker card. And then with every kit, you will receive 4 A2 size white envelopes. So that's always nice to have. And then finally, the little collection flare button. This is Squeeze the Day with that little lemon and then the rainbow stripes in the background. And then I just thought I'd show you that zippered pouch again. So this is 8.5 by 11 zippered pouch. It's very sturdy. I now have 4 of them, so I love these so much. You can even purchase the pouches individually on Pink & Main's website. So that's a nice addition. So this is everything that is included in Pink & Main's August 2019 Crafty Courtyard subscription kit. These kits do sell out very quickly, so don't wait if you are interested in it. I have included a link in the description box for this kit. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this kit, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.